Make sure you've powered down your N95. Slide the front to one side and remove both screws. Once done, slide the front to the other side and remove both screws from this side. Once the 4 screws are removed, slide the front back to the middle and use a safe pry tool to unclip the front panel. There's one clip on each side. This should now just pull off. You should just be able to lift the keypad off, and then the next layer just needs to have to be clipped from the top and pulled forward. This reveals the connection for the LCD screen. This is a hinge which needs to be lifted, and you can use it now or the pry tool for this. Gently lift the LCD screen and slowly pull the ribbon out. And this is it, your LCD screen is removed, ready for the new one to be fitted.